How to fix Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration error. 1. Restart your router. 2. Set IP address settings to automatic. Like this. 3. Restart WLAN autoconfig service. Like this. 4. Renew your IP address and flush DNS cache. Run these commands as admin. IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / flush IP protocol configuration / renew 5. Reset TCP / IP. Run these commands as admin. Netshare WinSock reset netshare in IP reset 6. Disable then re-enable network adapter later. 7. Update network drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, uninstall then reinstall wireless adapter driver. 8. Reset network settings.